How y'all doing now? Just that in nature. I'm out here in nature, man. Just looking at different myceliums, a bunch of mushrooms out here. I'm gonna keep studying and find out which ones is, edible, because that's what I'm really looking for, them edible mushrooms, man. Look at that, huh? What we got here? Dang. I know these is really old, and you probably wouldn't want to eat them even if they were edible, but you got a lot, man. I believe the best time to catch them was after the rain, like right after the rain. Come down. They'll be all over. I see that big tree fell down. That big tree fell down. That's all it needs. Once something fall down, once it start decaying, the fungi, the mycelium start growing. Man, they got so much up here. Look at that. Imagine if you catch that when it's fresh. Huh? You'd eat that? You'd eat it? I would, man. I'd eat that if it was all good and fresh. I knew it wouldn't hurt me. I love the medicinal benefits of all the plants and everything nature got to offer, man. It's just really, it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. Got a bunch of tracks, something digging up. Oh, you got some scat right there. Oh yeah. Look at that, them seeds in there, huh? They eating a bunch of berries. Probably eating a bunch of blackberry. And them blackberries grow good down here in Louisiana. Let's see what else I can find, man. I love the sound of them birds, man. I love the sound of them birds. It's just relaxing, man. Just a nice thing. See, oh look, there's spider nest. Oh, look at that. Dang. Look at that. That's so much. Dang, man. Look at that. That's crazy. This Daddy Nature, y'all check it out. Video soon to come.